Hello everybody, I thought I'd have a cup of coffee and I share this with you because it came through the post this morning, and the irony of getting stitch markers when I am coming down in stitch markers after my little binge of beach shopping. But it's nice to get them, and they're kind of handy, or they'll decorate one of my new dream catchers. I think I need my coffee. I'm a bit slow today, and it's been so gloomy that I needed to cheer myself up with a lot of chocolate, which I think I'm proven allergic to, God save us. Well, anyway, here's the new Inside Crochet. It's very summery, even though outside today it's what they say here, it's lashing. We've been out twice. I've been out twice for a walk today, so don't feel so bad. And I'm going to get a bit of chocolate with my coffee when I've done. Haven't had a look at this. And I had planned the whole unveiling of it, but of course didn't I have to wash my hands about 100 times to arrive at this point, whereupon the iPad had switched itself off and I had to start over from scratch. Coffee's cooling, not to rush it. I like this sort of thing. I don't know about you, but it's nice, but I probably wouldn't wear it. Definitely not yellow. Doesn't suit me, and definitely needs to be a little bit longer on the midriff. I don't know about you, but I start flicking immediately, and Inside Crochet is pretty good because it has like a central page that shows you all the patterns that you'll find in it. This one here. I need a bit more room there, don't I? There's quite a bit. I swear to God, I think sometimes they're watching me because, you know, this sort of thing here, Sweet Dreams, is that a dream catcher? Yeah, well, it's a bit more fancy than mine. I'll let them have that one. Yeah, I've been making these sort of jam pot covers, which actually I'm heavily into this kind of thing myself. Not a very modern woman. I like the vintage stuff, but that's quite nice. I like this these flowers and stuff. That's quite lovely. And they've done it, I don't know if you can see that, but they've done it in soft fuzzy yarns, which is kind of a bit nice, isn't it? I don't think it would stand up to the weather much, but it's nice, very nice. I started one of those bags a while ago. They're called little friendship flowers, and they can be called friendship blankets because apparently everybody's meant to make one, and then some kind person in your team puts it all together for you. They take ages to make. Honestly, that's why that's a bag. It probably started off wanting to be a blanket, but you'd lose the will to live. And it's got a name that I'll let you try to pronounce. Yeah, try that. Try that sober. Oh, that's nice. I do like a nice leaf pattern. I'm not sure if I like the gradient through that, but I do like the leaf pattern. I think that's lovely. I'm into that. Vine on Time Shawl by Lisa Cook. That's lovely. There's a gorgeous wee top I know a lot of yous will like. Isn't that just lovely? Or is it the sweet little lacy peep show that's going on there? That's quite nice. Yes, I like that. It's loose. I'm starting to get into loose stuff where I never was before, and I wonder why that is. Sweet little, that's a sweet little pattern there, isn't it? And the top itself, that's it there. Quite nice. Yeah. Heavy looking sleeves. Not down about that, although it is the easy option to avoid having to shape in pattern. So yeah, there's the stuff for young people. We used to be young people. I'm not so young people now, but yeah, nice. There's a little beaded jug cover. Whoops, that I'm gonna go into page 74. What do you think of that? I'd be curious to see if you like that sort of thing. It's all fun until you look at what you need. A 1.8mm hook I don't think I have that, so I'd do a 1.5. You need beads with holes large enough to put the yarn in. And you need number 20 cotton, which is quite fine indeed, and not everybody would be up to it. But they're handy wee things to put over your jugs in the summer to keep the flies off. It is nice. You can see there the sort of scale of it. You know, you need quite a few rounds to get the length coming down your jug like that. The beads are nice. We do like beads. Plenty of those. Yep. So I'm going to have my coffee and take a wee look through. I'll put a wee comment in if I see anything else in it that's nice. It's okay as a magazine goes. This is the time of year when people reckon they've made everything they're ever going to make. And they don't want to crochet because it's hot and sticky. They'd rather go out into the garden. And I totally get that. Although I am crocheting on. They look a wee bit heavy. I think they could benefit from being done in a finer yarn, but I suppose it's sturdy and it's cotton. Cute enough and handy if you know any young people who would find that cute, and I think I do know a couple of people who would love that. And the handy charts. If you still know how to do charts, I think I should do a little a wee video on that, because look, that would be quite nice, wouldn't it? To know what those mean. Those are lovely and simple. We should go for that. Yep. Ideas. Nice bunting. Okay, we're back to that. So very nice. That was fun. Thanks for listening in, and I'll have my coffee now. I better go get my bit of chocolate. I'll see you later. Bye.